It don't matter okay. I said, well, damn, can I speak, bro? Like, yo, is this shit, like, am I, like, what's going, nah, bro. What I'm gonna see you. Or something, and it was candy. But you see, I thought I would've, oh my fucking God.
He said my big ass thumb.
I fucked that, bro, damn.
You know what I'm saying? But this a learn. We learn it. This a learning. We learning in progress. Damn. What the fuck?
How people can find like cute bananas, apples, ripe banana, plum, avocado. My goodness.
Y'all know, hold on, wait. Y'all know, y'all. Shut the fuck up.